friends, welcome back to Ponni's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show how to prepare mango fish curry. Now let's see how to make it. Take fish pieces 500 grams. Add fine onion paste half cup. Salt 2 tablespoons. Red chili powder 3 tablespoons. Daniya powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder half tablespoon. Turmeric powder half tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Oil 1/4 cup. Tamarind extract half cup. Now mix all together. Add half glass of water and place it on the stove. Now close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low to medium flame. After 10 minutes, add slit mirchi, crushed garlic cloves and close the lid. After 10 minutes on medium flame, open the lid and mix it as shown. And avoid mixing it with the ladle. Now add sliced raw mango pieces half cup. Gently mix the mango pieces. And cover the lid till the mango pieces get cooked. After 5 minutes, garnish with coriander. And switch off the flame. Yummy mango fish curry is ready. Serve it with hot rice and enjoy it. Eat well, stay well. Thank you for watching the video. If you do like the video, please like, share, comment. And don't forget to subscribe.